Unfortunately, the BSD RCTA Disabled message is more than common for Subaru vehicles. When you see this, your blind spot detection doesn't work, and also rear cross-traffic alert will be disabled. So the issue is always connected with the two blind spot radar sensors that are located behind the rear bumper. There are basically three culprits that may lead to this message. The first one is the damaged radar sensor. Even the slightest impact may damage the radar and its mounting points because the clearance between the sensors and the bumper is very thin, so any impact on the parking lot or slight bumper accident may cause this damage. But for Subaru vehicles, it's more often not the sensor itself, but the mount bracket. It's a thin metal bracket that holds the radar in place, and once it's misaligned, even just 1 mm, you will see the BSD RCTA Disabled warning on the dash. I've even seen these brackets being slightly bent because the car got into a road pit at high speed with its rear wheel, so you may consider them extremely weak. This bracket can be fixed, it should only be replaced if it's out of alignment. Also, resetting the radar will not help, it should be fixated in the proper position first and then recalibrated with a Subaru compatible scanner. And then there is the third possible culprit, which is the wiring. If you take off the bumper and see that everything is okay, check carefully the wires that connect the sensors. More often than not, you may find a broken or corroded connection in the system. Other than that, this may also be a glitch in the control modules that may have happened because of low battery voltage. But this option is less common in Subaru cars anyway. If you experience these and your dealership claims $1,500 for repairs, you may consider taking the bumper off on your own and looking at the radars. If you manage to find the bent bracket, you may buy the OEM bracket for your car for peanuts of money and install it on your own. You will then need just a good Subaru compatible scanner to reset the system, and it's possible with any good independent mechanic. This way you will save like 90% of the budget, but if the problem is with the sensor itself, it's still going to cost you some money, since these sensors aren't cheap, to say the least.